What is up people, this is Valcos, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up the software for the servo clock. So over here I have a test script written, and what this does is that it sets the PWM for each of the channel with the minimum and maximum points. Now these points, we have to find these points because these points will be different for each and every servo motor, and hence we'll do that in this video. So the default values come as 150 and 600. So let's replace those, and then we will just run only one channel for now, and hence we'll comment out the other two. Now we'll just sudo python sc.py because this is the same file, and this is open from Pi. Now if you see the video, the servo motor moves in one particular direction. Now if you see that it goes way beyond the point that we needed, and hence we'll stop the script and we'll start messing with the values. Now it is 150. Now let's try 200 and see what's happening. It's getting closer, just a bit more, and hence we'll make it 230 or 240. Now if you see, it's almost the position that I need, and hence we'll lock in that position. Now the bottom position is also fine. The only thing that I need is to line up this with this. Now if you see, it almost lines up, and hence it's okay. Now we have our channel 1 complete, and we stop the script when the pointer is pointing upwards. Now we'll go for the other motor, and hence what we'll do is we'll uncomment these and we'll comment the channel 0. Now we'll change the minimum value to 150 and maximum value to 600 for the servo 2, and we reverse the comments, and hence channel 0 won't work and channel 1 will work. So we'll just save it and we'll run the script again. Now if you see that the value goes way beyond what we need, and hence we'll just reverse them. Now if we run the file again, this pointer points just there and we need it over there, and hence we'll do some things. Now what we can't do is go below 150, and what we'll do then is that we'll set this as 150 again and this as 600 again, but this 600 we will change it to 500 and 200. Now let's see what this does. So we'll need to go beyond 600, and hence what we'll do is we'll go to for 700. See, it goes up, but it's just a tad bit on the other side than this one, and hence we'll point it somewhere there. Hence we'll stop the script again. Let's go for 680. If you can see, it's almost there, hence just a bit of tweaking, let's say 685, and this would do the trick. See, it's done. Now let's go for the bottom part. Now for the bottom part, we'll have to uncomment just for a while because we need the pointer to point downwards, and hence we'll wait for channel 1 to go down. That's it. I'll do the reverse process. Then we have to set the lower value. Hence we will try this one first. It's going way beyond that. Hence 300. just a bit, 250. Let's say 275. And it's there. It's done. Let's see. It's almost there. Now that's done for the first part. Now in the next part, we'll try getting the clock values on the servo motor. Okay, so in this part of the script, I'll show you how to show the time values on the servo motors. So we imported time before, then we made two variables, minimum t and minute t and rt. These are the temporary values which I gave -1. Then over here I used min a equal to time.strf time %m. Now what this would do is that it would get the minute value from the pi's clock, and hence for a bit of testing we'll change this to seconds, like this and this. Then the same goes for hour. Now we know that the hours are 24, but over here in this clock I want to show only 12, and what I'll do is if the value of hours is 12, it would take the value of hours and minus 12 from it. Hence this would convert the 24-hour clock into 2 times 12-hour clock. Now in the next part, r_a is not equal to r_t. Now only if this condition is true, then it would go over here, and hence it would take up less resources of the pi and consume less power. Then we'll change temporary r into the actual hours. Then S1 equal to S1 min plus r into S1 max minus S1 min divided by 12. Now this 12 is because we want to show 12 points, and this 60 is because we want to show 60 points on the minutes. Next, S1 max minus S1 min. With the method we used in the last part, that is the first part of this video, we'll use those values. Then we'll set the PWM at channel 0 as S1. Now the thing that we use over here, S1 equal to integer S1, this would convert any float value into an integer value. Let's just copy these lines and paste them 5 times or 6 times, whatever times. It won't go any more than that. Now we'll test these. Now if you can see that the minute to servo, that goes in reverse, and what we'll do is just change one sign from plus to minus. That's it. We'll try it. If it does not work, then we'll do something else. Okay, so it's going. So it converted back to what it was. We'll just change from minimum to max. We'll see what that does. So it's pegged top. Then we'll change from minus to plus, from plus to minus. Now this should almost do it. And it's done. See, both working in the same direction. There is this from 0 to 60, from 0 to 12. And if you look closely, it takes 12 steps, then goes back and goes again, and this one goes for 60 steps and comes back again. So that's it for this video, and stay tuned for the next part. Thank you people for watching this video. Like this video or dislike it, subscribe to the channel, share it, go through my other videos. Till then, tada!